Discover how to instantly filter and organize your documents by document type, status, or custom criteria for faster access and management. Start by clicking the Filters button to customize your document view for faster access to what matters most. Select the predefined filters to filter the documents as required. Use Add Custom Filter to create tailored document views that fit your unique needs. Set the filters as you want. After setting all the required filters and rules, click Apply to apply the current filter. Click Group By to instantly organize documents by key fields for easier sorting and analysis. Select the predefined groups to sort the data. Expand the Expenses group to quickly review all expense-related documents in one place. Expand the Transportation group to quickly review all transportation-related documents in one place. Expand the Merged group to quickly review all merged documents in one place. Clear the Doc Type filter to return to a complete view of all your documents. The group can be expanded as previous process. Expand the Transportation row to view all transportation-related application documents in detail. Expand the Expenses row to view all expenses-related candidate documents in detail. Expand the Transportation row to view all transportation-related documents in detail. Expand the Merged row to view all merged documents in detail. Click on Add Custom Group to add custom group as required. Set the group as required. After selecting, click on Apply to apply the group. Click on Favorite to save the favorite search and import the data. Select the group or filter you want to save and favorite. Click on Save Current Search and set the documents either to use by default and share with all users or for both. Then click on Save to save the search.